bulk apply a eBay listing template to any of your live listings which do not currently have the template applied, go to bulk revision and then click new revision. Select contains template no. So this means the listings live on eBay don't have the template, and it'll show you which listings currently don't have the template applied. Next steps, click design. And this is where you want to add a pre-made design template from the Frooition and Boost software, or add a custom template. Click review. It's going to update all 12 live listings which don't have the template applied and apply the template. So click start revision, acknowledge that you want to make those changes, click start, and the bulk revision tool will then start applying that template to those 12 listings which do not have the current design applied. There you can see the revision process percentage going up as it's updating the listings and applying the design. Within a few seconds, all those live listings will then have the design applied. And there we have it. All live listings have the design applied in just a few clicks.